we're dead in the water, boys. So we just rebuilt this engine, put it in, started it, severe misfire, tracked it down to cylinder 1 injector. It's a power ground system, and it was getting no ground. Well, then upon doing research, we tracked the wire for continuity all the way back to the ECU, has continuity all the way to the ECU. Doing some research, and someone said check O2 sensor wiring. So we checked that. So I go under the car and I look at our O2 sensor wiring, and look at this. They cut it and wired it, but look what they wired it to. And then the car's so low, it looks like they bottomed it out and it ripped the wires off. And that will short out your fuel injector circuit in the ECU. So I just found an ECU on Facebook Market out of a 2012 valve. It'll be here in a couple days.